Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So as you know, in our last video we have discussed how we can implement the conversion tracking in the Microsoft Bing Ads account. So today we will make a step further, and today I will let you know how to create a search campaign in the Microsoft Bing Ads account, and how we can set up the keywords, how we can set up the ads, and how we set up the extension and other things as well. So I will give you the brief about all the things in today's video. So without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Hello guys, as you know, today our topic is how to create a search campaign in Microsoft Bing account. So today I will let you know how to do it. As you know, in previous video we have discussed about how we create a conversion tag to track the leads that are coming through the website form submissions. So now we will create the campaign so that we can attract visitors to our ad, and then they will click on the ad and land on the website and then fill up the form, and then we will track those conversion in the campaigns. So first of all, for creating a search campaign, we have a dashboard here. You just need to open a dashboard like ui@ads.microsoft.com, and then you just need to go to the campaigns levels. This is the campaign level. As there are multiple options here, you need to go to the campaign section, and after that there is a create button will be visible, and you just need to click on that. And once you click on that, if you are familiar with Google Ads, you know we have different objectives here, and the same way we have different objective in Bing's ads as well. As our main motto to generate lead that are lead from the website, so I will choose this option. There are different options here: get more customers to purchase and meet your performance goals, get visit to your website and attract potential customers, increase your audience familiarity with your brand. So there are different objectives. So today we will let you know about the topic that is generate lead, and I will use this objective, this goal for our campaign, because I want people to visit my website and then convert through the submit form. So I will just click on it, and then it will ask us what type we want to run the campaign, audience based, target your audience, or target audience in right place or right time, or even we need to go with a search campaign where you just need to add your keywords and search ads so that people can see our ads in Bing. So I will choose search one because we need to run a campaign with search objective, and then I will click on the continue button. And after that we have the setup options here, and here you just need to put your website first. I have the website here, so I will add the URL of the website, main URL where I want to land the people, land the visitors. So I will choose the link here, and after that we need to name our campaign as it's already named search campaign. So you can name it with your date as well, on which date you have created the campaign, so you will know on which date you have done it. Okay, and the next step, choose your target location. As my target location is Canada, so I will choose it, Canada and United States. And after that you need to choose with the two options, people in your targeted location and people searching or viewing web page about your targeting location. So always prefer people in your targeted location, because if we do second option, then there are chances that we'll get more inquiries or more form submission from out of our targeting area, and I think that will not give us the accurate results, and we are not able to convert those leads because they are very far away from our target locations. So that's why I will always choose people in our target location. Then you need to use your language preference, English, whatever language you want to run there, you can do it here. And make sure use account include conversion settings, because it will include the conversion which we have created in the last video. I have told about how to create a track a thank you page conversion, so use this option for that. And after that, save and go to the next step. And here we need to put our keywords, what keywords we want to target in the campaign. and I have already created the keyword list, so I will just copy it and paste it here. And if you have like different you want to add different match types, you can do it here, but I need to use all the keywords in broad match type. That's why I have used this option. Okay, and then yes, you need to key to the go and save to the next step, and here you need to add your ad headlines and descriptions. And here you need to put the URL first as you have, and you can also use the same URL for your mobile URL as well, because it will be same. And then you need to choose the path, as I don't have any particular path here, so I just add like Titan services. You can use at your own services. So, and then you need to choose the headlines, as I have already created the ads. So I will put our first headline, second. So this will be done here because we have different headline options. So I will add multiple headlines as I have created already. So you need to, if you need to do it fast, you can do it through Google Edit, like Bing's editor as well, but I will prefer manually right now, because I just need to add 4 to 5 description. And you, if you like, I have created multiple ones. If you need to add multiple, you can add headlines. So I'm just giving the example, so I am using only 5 here. Okay, and then you need to add description. I have already created the description as well, and here I will add it. I have added 2. If you want to add more, then you just need to click on the add description here. Let's add 4 right now. Okay, so as you can see, now our ad is looking like this. So it will showcase you all the things, like how our ad is performing, how our ad strength is, it's good, bad, or poor. You can see the data here, like some ad performance is good. So I think now we can proceed. And how our ad look like on Bing, so it will also showcase the same with you in the view, top view, side view, and mobile view. You can see how your ad will see. So you need to check these things, because this is mandatory, because you need to know how like visitor interact with our ad, so that you can make the changes accordingly if it is not looking good. Then you just need to click on the save and go to next step option, and here you can see we have different option like extension. I will create a separate video for the extension, like which kind of extensions are this, extension, price, promotion. I will create a separate video. So for now we will just click on the save and go next step button, and here you just need to add your budget. Like I will use $1 right now, and default bid is 0.5 because I'm just clicking a normal campaign. And then you just need to click on the go live button, and please check all the things there. And as you can see, now our campaign is ready. I'm pausing it right now because it's just a test campaign. So this is how we do it. This is how we create campaigns. This is how we create a search campaign basically in, I can say, Bing Ads account. Okay, so after that, once the campaign will be live, you can see here the campaign is live, and then you will able to see the data, like how clicks, impressions, CTR we are getting, and then you can see the conversion, which we have talked in the last video. We have created a conversion, and if we get that conversion, it will be showcased here. So I think now you are able to know how we can create that. Thank you so much for your time. If you have any question, you can directly contact me on the YouTube comment section. Thank you so much. Bye bye.